another video. I'm sorry if you do hear like music or movie in the background, because my child is watching a movie and this is the only time I can really record. But other than that, I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. For those who don't know who I am Glam by Nessa _ Marie. All my social medias are platform as that. I do hope you guys like my content. I am trying my hardest to record. I do have a couple of the videos that I still have to edit, but today's video consists of this big old blow dryer brush. I love it. It took my hair about like 15 minutes, I would say. So it is a blow dryer brush. I do love it. It has high, low, and cool right there, and it is big. I mean, the only thing I can say is that your arms will be really strong by the time you're done blow drying your hair. Other than that, it untangles your hair pretty well. But you know, my hair is always tangled. But other than that, I love this. This is amazing. I could, like, I blow dry my hair. I don't even blow dry my hair. I don't even know what I'm saying. But I'm usually have my hair up in a bun, and I needed to like change that. I needed to change that because 2021, I am going to style my hair often. Stop being a bum. Because let me tell you something, I am trying to manifest things, and this is one of my manifestation. I am going to style my hair because I am tired looking like a mom who doesn't know how to dress, a mom who doesn't do their hair and just wants to be home. And you know, let me tell you something, 15 minutes and this, and my hair is not short. It took me like 5 years to grow out this beauty, but it would be up to like a little over my boob area, and my hair is pretty wavy. So girl, 15 minutes just to do my hair, to brush it out, to blow dry. Amazing does that sound. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I have to let you guys know what I do to my hair now to get it straight and volumized, because it does leave a little shine. Look at this, yo, my hair is always flat and it has like a little volume into it, so I love it. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just continue watching. bye.